Hello everybody! Well, I always say this every time we have a long break, but it's been a while.
We've had a super long break, like long! Welcome everybody to a brand new video!
And welcome back to the channel.
Yeah.
Hope you folks have had a good few months since we last did a video, and we also did a live stream as well, so it's been a while since we've done that, so hope you folks are having a good day.
It is March!
And
obviously March is a big month for us this year because we are off to California.
Spoiler alert if you didn't know this, you haven't seen our couple of videos, but yes, we're off to California very soon. And we wanted to do a little video basically focusing on Amazon travel.
Yes, because we get quite a lot of you actually asking where we get all of our little gadgets, our travel essentials and everything like that. So if this is right up your street, stay tuned to find out what we have in store for you.
So we went on a shopping spree, we got a load of stuff, so we're going to show you folks what we actually bought.
We do have a few things that we've had for a good few years, and we thought we might as well bring them into the video, just in case you were wondering and you were wanting to purchase yourself.
So what we'll do is we'll leave a link in the description of all of the items that we have bought in Amazon, so if you folks want to purchase them yourself, just click the affiliate links down below just so that can help you out.
Yes.
And should we get started on the first one?
Let's get started. Let's stop waffling on and let's get started.
Let's do this. Let's start off with the big stuff. We're going to go with a backpack, and as you know, we've gone through many backpacks through our vlogging history.
Oh, we have. We've had some very iconic backpacks.
A couple that have been signed by characters, ones that have just been really good carry-on sort of things, and today, this was actually one that you found.
Yeah.
You found this, and I'd say you found a steal.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
It was pretty awesome. So, of course, this is the backpack that we're talking of. This thing can carry a lot.
This thing has pockets upon pockets and pockets and pockets and pockets and pockets, and somehow you will lose yourself in there somehow. It is like a Mary Poppins bag. The bag is from Crozier. I think I've pronounced that right. There is a huge trend at the moment for these types of bags, and looking on Amazon, this seems to be quite affordable and very practical. It comes with side pockets.
Yes.
There's also pockets inside that you can put your pens in there, put your important documentation. There's also a tablet holder as well that's quite cushioned. There's also a laptop compartment as well.
You've also got a wire that is actually inside the backpack that you can plug your power adapter in, or power bank in there. And then on the side of the backpack is where you actually connect your charger to your phone or even tablet if you've got whatever you've got going on. One thing I love about this as well is that it's got 2 bottle compartments that can actually fit quite large bottles. And one of my final things I love about this is the back of the backpack. If you've got like bigger hand luggage or bigger luggage sort of handles and you want to slot this on top, makes it easier to distribute around. The reason why we actually purchased this one is, if you didn't know already, we're actually doing this trip to California completely hand luggage. So we're not having the big red cases that you normally used to. If you haven't seen our vlogs already, we always have the big red cases every time we go on long trips. This one we're doing completely hand luggage, and this is going to help a lot because it's going to take a lot of our small little bits and bobs. We can also put more clothes in there just to help for space wise.
Put it this way, we went to Primark and bought quite a few things, and somehow it all managed to fit in there because there is a massive compartment in there that will fit a lot. This bag does come in 2 sizes. We've used this quite a bit. Obviously the one that we're showing in detail is my one because it's got the little Calf Kids and keyring in there. That wasn't on Amazon, it's not with that. It was just to put it on there so that we can figure out whose is whose. Because I bought the bag first and then Dave went, hey, this is a good idea, and he bought one too.
I follow suited it and I just copied, so I like that.
Alrighty, the next little thing is something that we've had for quite a few years. I think we must have had this for about, oh, I don't know, 2014, on our very first sort of vlogging Disney Florida trip sort of thing. And it is a travel organiser. There's nothing crazy about it. It looks a bit beaten up now. There's quite a few interesting marks on it. But it did the job. This little thing has been absolutely perfect to have everything. I think when we bought it, it must have been like it was less than £1. If we can find this still on Amazon, we will link it all down below.
Yeah.
This is like probably the cheapest thing that we've ever bought off Amazon, and we have been using it for years and years and years.
One thing we would say about this is if you're a person who likes to be extremely organised and have everything in one place, this is the perfect thing for you. It has many compartments in there for your boarding passes, your money, your cards as well, even for loose change. This is an organiser's dream.
Pretty much.
Say. And like Steph said, it's been battered and bruised and it's still in good condition. It's not, you know, I would say it's in terrible.
Not falling apart or anything like that.
The only thing I'd say is that one. But this, again, this is like over 5 years old. So this is like a very, very good piece of equipment. And like Steph said, it's inexpensive and 100% worth it. Like we said, we'll try and find the exact one that we did. If not, we'll show you
something similar.
It may be a little bit more than what we did, but it's still, it's worth the money and I'd highly recommend it. So a good find. We're going to move over to something when you're on the plane, a very important necessity, the J pillow.
Now this was actually recommended by quite a few of you the other year when we actually tweeted out going, what is the best travel pillow? Because you know, I'm not one for the ones that, you know, look like a toilet seat that go around your neck, and everyone was recommending this. Now we've used this quite a few times on our travels, and yeah, it's alright really. I tell you, it's travelled along quite many adventures with us.
I like the fact that it actually comes in the bag container and it's super easy to plop everything back in and also to clip on to your like luggage or suitcases or backpacks.
Yeah.
Again, very, very super durable, really nice and soft, and I think we've had
kind of goes like this.
Yeah. Goes like that, so you can like rest on your shoulder and sleep like that.
Or you can have it like this, or you can do many things with it. So if you are looking for a new neck pillow, travel pillow, give this one a shout.
Definitely try it out.
It's not too bad. It's not too bad. I quite like it. All right, the next item we're going to show you is packing cubes, but not any type of packing cubes. They are packing cubes that you can compact.
Yes, of course we're doing hand luggage, we want to maximise as much space as possible. So we found these and they're around about £20 when you get a pack of 4, so you get 4 different sizes. This is I think one of the largest ones.
Yeah.
I think there might be one more big one,
huge.
but there are little smaller versions, so if you want like your socks and your underwear in a smaller bit, and then you want like jumpers and jeans in the bigger one, you would use that.
So it's pretty self-explanatory really. You unzip all of the zips, put your stuff in there, zip it up, and then do a final zip to compact it and squeeze it in. Which does sound very helpful for when you're travelling hand luggage only.
It helps a lot.
One of the sizes, I think it's about half of this.
Yeah.
I can fit my big thick duffel coat that you've seen me in Vlogmases and all that other stuff. I've managed to squeeze it in one of these, so
no problems at all.
Happy chap.
Exactly. Talking of compact bags, we have another one for you. So the one we have here is a travel vacuum bag sense type of thing.
Yeah, without the vacuum.
Without the vacuum, yeah. So this does not include the vacuum in here, but it's the same sort of concept when you actually use it. So the idea is that you place all the items that you want in here, and basically you can press all the air out by basically just rolling it. Yes, and all the air comes out at the end, and it basically is like a vacuum bag but without the vacuum, and it saves time and space. Again, this is really going to help us out a lot because the amount of clothes that we do want to bring with us on this trip, we want to try and get as many as we can, and also we may be purchasing a lot of things, so we want as much space as we can. So this will help a lot. I don't know how many spirit jerseys we're going to buy. I'm not going to lie to you. It could be 5 or more each. So we need these. It's going to help. Yes, you know it. Yes, you know it makes sense. Come on. It's Disney. It's Disneyland, the place where it started it all.
They're going to be small enough to pack. You know, they're great for when we're coming home and, you know, obviously, like what Dave says, we're going to have a lot of clothes. Maybe a lot. I don't know. I can't really predict the future right now because I don't know what sort of merchandise there is. Anyhow, waffling.
I can, it's a lot. And also the one that we got, there was 2 versions. There was a larger size and a smaller size, which was in the mix that we got.
Another compactable bag that we have to show you is, in this small little bag, is a 100-litre duffel bag.
Yes.
And we are taking this with us just in case Dave goes a little bit crazy on spirit jerseys because he says he's going to buy more than 5. If there is a situation where we need to check a bag in, this little thing is going to help us out a lot. It's very, very light. You know, as you can see, it's very compactable. When it unzips, you will see how massive it is.
Huge.
It comes with a massive shoulder strap. It also has a strap where you, if you've got another luggage, one of those wheelie luggagey things that has a handle, you can put it on top as well. We've actually carried this around with us during our Florida trip last year and a few other trips as well, you know, just in case we need an extra bag. And yeah, there we go. The material is super strong, and yeah, there you go. Easy peasy.
Yeah, you can never be too sure with those cheeky merch.
That's it.
As you know, we do vlogging on this channel, and we have a lot of electrical items. Some people here may have the same, or just video cameras and things like that, and they want things to be put in there, like a compartment of this sort of thing. Look at this beautiful thing. This was actually a present that you got for me, and I absolutely love this.
Cable management is not our forte.
No.
No. No.
Is it anyone's forte? I don't think so.
I don't know.
But if it isn't, then this is the thing for you. That sounded like a sales advert.
Yeah, we are not sponsored by any of this.
No, this is an amazing piece of gear. It is a little beauty of a slot holder where you can place cables, SD cards, extra batteries, compartments to put your camera in, the charging, even for your phone stuff, like you can put like your power bank in there as well, your GoPros if you want to do underwater videography, things like that. Again, these are all movable. You can move these around to your heart's content. And yeah, absolutely amazing, really good. I don't know if there was any other colours. Was there any other colours?
I think there were a few other colours as well.
So if you're not into the grey, there's lots of other options for you.
It's quite a versatile bag, really. You don't have to put tech in there, to be fair. You can put all sorts of stuff in it if you wanted to.
Exactly.
So yeah, there we go.
Comes with a nice handle as well.
Oh, okie dokie. So the last thing that we want to show you, we've had this for a few years now. Actually, I got it for you for Christmas one time.
You did.
And it is an Amazon Fire tablet, I want to say.
That's correct.
Could be wrong. Yeah, this little thing has been absolutely wonderful. We have got an iPad, but unfortunately, like, if you're in the situation that we're in at the moment, where the glass is constantly breaking, even though that we've had a case and a protector and all that other stuff, we bought this just as like a backup because we were having problems with that iPad. Yeah. And to be fair, we've been using it ever since. It is so robust, it's unreal. There's normally like deals that happen, you know, like on Black Friday deals or end of sale deals sort of things. Yeah. Like Prime sort of deals and all of that other stuff. But I tell you, it's like one of the most affordable tablets, but it works really well. We only use it really to just watch YouTube, watch Twitch streaming, all of those other little things, and yeah, it comes really well. The really cool thing as well about it is that it comes with an external memory card as well in there, so you can put a micro SD card in there and link it up with your Amazon Prime. Download your favourite sort of box sets or anything like that, and it's been kind of good for like even short haul flights that you don't have an entertainment system on your flight. And
yeah, most of said sometimes when you're checking the entertainment system, you realise, oh, there's not many good films as I was hoping there'd be. No. But you can download a load of things. Again, I'm sure if you had other apps like Netflix and all that sort of stuff that are able to download, you can do this on here as well. So it's something to keep an eye on. And one thing I would say, the screen resolution is actually really decent. It's nice to actually have this to watch TV series that we can just binge watch or things like that. So again, highly recommend it. Again, if you don't have an Amazon Fire tablet and you just have a regular tablet, I'd highly recommend to bring one on anyway, because it will help you out a lot. Yeah, so there we go. It's good. So ladies and gents, hopefully that helped you out or gave you some ideas of what to do on your next trip. It doesn't have to be Orlando, it can be anywhere around the world. Let us know in the comment section if you guys got any countdowns of your own, anything you've got coming up. We'd really like to know what you folks have been up to. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. We really do appreciate the support. If you could as well, we highly recommend it if you could subscribe. Make sure to follow us on all our social medias like Twitter and Instagram, and also our Facebook page. They'll all be linked in the description box below for you. And we hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much again for all of your love and support, and for your patience as well. We cannot wait to share our next trip with you guys very soon. Yes. So make sure, again, like I said, follow us on all our social media so you get updated of what we get up to, and then we'll keep you folks updated of when the vlogs will be coming out. But we do have a few more videos coming up, possibly a home bargain video. And a Primani. Yes. Everyone loves a Primani. Exactly. So folks, we shall see you then. Have a great day. Take care now. Bye. Bye.